After we hosted Newmar's live broadcast from the RVX trade show, we heard you loud and clear. More Superstar. Come along as we take you on a far more detailed walkthrough and share our impressions of Newmar's first entry into the Super C market.
So this is the moment you've all been waiting for. We are inside the Newmar display, and right here is the star of the show, the Superstar.
This is Newmar's very first foray into the Super C market, and it comes with a couple of firsts for that segment. One is a full wall slide, which you can see right behind us here, and the other is a full air cab. And somehow they've managed to engineer it so that the body is firmly attached to the chassis, but the cab is air suspended and air seats. We're excited about the prospect for how well this would ride, much more like what we're used to in a Class A diesel pusher than someone in a truck chassis.
That's right. Now, mentioning the chassis, the Superstar is built on a Freightliner chassis and comes with a Cummins 350 diesel engine.
It's also available in 4 floor plans ranging from 37 to 40 feet. The paint job is beautiful, the detail, the fit and finish, it's all very impressive. We're not Super C owners, we've never had one. It's a different segment than we're used to, but we're learning how quality can be there, even in what appears to the casual observer to look more like a truck.
Right, but so far, everything that we've seen, this is exactly what you would expect from Newmar. Just taking it up that extra notch and making it that comfort experience in whatever platform they're building on. In addition to other storage compartments in the basement, there are 2 huge pass-through bays.
There's even access to an additional storage area in the rear. There's space in here to put an 8-foot-long folding table. Above that, there are 2 more shelves. Perfect storage space in the rear cap for tools and other items you need while working. The hydraulic entry step makes it easy to go inside.
The interior on the Superstar is just beautiful. If you weren't looking at the cab behind us, you would have no idea that this was a Super C.
Besides making it much more like a high-end Class A, they've also done things that make it more seamless to go up into the cab area. It's perfectly flush floor all the way through. That includes the step here. There isn't a step.
Correct.
Actually, the cab is completely flat right out from the tile floor here, out into the carpeted area in the front. And the amount of height here is incredible. I'm nearly 6'3", and this is as far above my head about as the ceiling in our own motorhome is. It's completely wide open.
So having all of this flat like this really makes it so that the cab now can become part of the living space. So just like in the Class A, these seats can be rotated around to become part of the living area.
And there's lots of cabinetry up in here. This really becomes part of the house instead of being just the driving area.
Now, we're not exactly sure what the engineering magic is. I'm sure it's proprietary to Newmar, but behind this surround here are all of the pieces that make it possible for the house portion of this Super C to be affixed to the chassis, but the cab to be air ride. So it actually has the air cushion suspension on it so that the cab has softening.
The seats are air, and so they move up and down. I used to drive buses and trucks that had that feature, and it's very comfortable.
This is, again, our first real experience in a Super C, and it is incredible how much it feels like a Class A.
All the cabinetry in here, the window valances, the tile backsplash, the tile floor, the furniture is soft and beautiful and elegant.
I really like this new edge they're doing too on the countertop. It's a very simple, straight edge, solid surface counters. Really nice. I like the look. The cabinetry has a much simpler profile to them and gives it a little bit more of a modern feel. Again, really nice.
And this floor plan is really cool because it's got these 2 beautiful lounges looking across at a TV that's on a diagonal, so you could watch it while you're eating dinner if you want to.
Right.
Or you can just sit and watch. You could pull those chairs around and spin these front seats around and have room here for 6 people to comfortably watch that really large television.
So of course this is a mid-entry coach, so when you come in the door, right off to your left is a very large pantry space, which is great storage. It's easily accessible from the kitchen, could also be used for putting shoes and things like that, so that when you come in the door, you've got a spot to store things.
Also, Newmar has created a step cover that is super solid. You can put it out while you're in here, and that makes your floor space all the way up to the door so no one's going to fall down into the door area. We had a mid-entry on our Bounder, our first RV that we got 16 years ago when we started full-timing, and we did not have that. And we had to be careful not to accidentally step down into the stairwell. This doesn't have that problem. You simply motor out the step cover and you can stand on it, and it's just like the rest of the floor, perfectly level. Also, the finish on things like the ceiling, for example.
Yep.
This has
the feature ceiling.
They call this a feature ceiling, and it's beautifully recessed, very elegant.
Hides all of the duct work and the air conditioning stuff so that it's really smooth and seamless.
One really cool feature that makes it seem bright and airy in here is the window on the front cap. And it's kind of a reveal when you come in and the blind is down and closed, and you push the button and it electrically reveals this wide open skylight feel up above the cab to bring in more light, or of course to give privacy and darkness when you bring the visor down.
The sink is a cool feature with the stainless steel inset, very large double sink, and a nice pull-out sprayer faucet above. The stainless steel is going to be really easy to keep clean, and then you've got double sinks, so now you can have one for soapy water, one for rinsing, really livable. Also, the faucet is beautifully styled, very elegant, looks like something from a fine home. Plenty of counter space with the stovetop covers in place, and you have the sink cover you can put in place. Plenty of preparation space for preparing a meal. Has the Fisher & Paykel dish drawer, which we love in our coach. It's fantastic having that. The full residential refrigerator. Now, we understand this is an option in this floor plan. You can get a standard RV refrigerator if you prefer, but having the residential fridge is fantastic. Just beyond that is even more pantry space. So there is tons of storage and tons of counter space for preparing meals. This floor plan has the full bath in the middle of the coach, and it uses Newmar's ingenious hinged bathroom door that doesn't come out into the room as far as it would if it was just a regular hinge. So works great when this slide is in, you still have access when you're on the road. And the bathroom is just as beautiful as the rest of the RV. There's a very large, solid surface shower, nice sink, and an elongated electric flush toilet. One thing that we were pleasantly surprised to see is the shower miser feature. Now, we originally saw that in the New Air, but of course, in typical Newmar fashion, they take innovations across the product line as they evolve. So the shower miser is a fantastic feature for being able to circulate the hot water back to the fresh tank in order to run it up and make sure it's hot before you start showering. So now none of that water is going down the drain, and you don't have to mess with using a bucket to catch it in order to keep it from filling your gray tank. We were really happy to see a king-size bed because that's a feature that's important to us, both being over 6 feet tall. And with the opposing slides here in the bedroom, gives you plenty of space and makes this feel very much like a real bedroom. Tons of storage space in the closet, and then another feature we're happy about, stacked washer and dryer. So now this really makes it feel like home. So again, not having had personal experience with Super Cs, we were incredibly impressed. Yeah, I never thought that I would actually consider a Super C before, but Newmar has totally changed my mind because this feels incredibly like a typical Class A with some of the advantages you get from having a Super C. One of those advantages is the towing capacity. For people who want to carry large equipment in large trailers, the towing capacity on this rig is far beyond what we could pull in our 43-foot diesel pusher. This is a 20,000 pound towing capacity, so that's pretty impressive, and certainly enables you to bring a lot of extra stuff along with you if you need to pull a large trailer. We hope you enjoyed this tour of this very cool new rig. To get more information about the Superstar, go to Newmar's website at newmarcorp.com. And to watch more videos from us, be sure to visit our website, thervgeeks.com. As always, safe travels, and thanks for watching.